What's good, guys? So today is Thursday, another trading day. So we are forming a bullish SMT on 50-minute time frame. As you see, we swept this low on SPS, but on Nasdaq we didn't sweep it. This is the low on Nasdaq. So I'm going to be looking for an entry on 1 minute time frame. Let's watch and see if we are going to get an entry or not. I'm going to update you guys on if I take an entry or not. So this is the SPS entry. We had fair value gap here, and we had break of structure here. Then I entered. Let me show you guys the positions on my MT5. So this is my good funded account. Then let me show you guys my funding pips account. This is my funding pips account. I hope that we don't just retrace and form bullish SMT, but let's just see. I hope we sweep this high, because this high is my first take profit. Then this all-time high is my second take profit. So let's see how it goes, man. I'm going to update you guys for sure. You guys should stay tuned in. So guys, we ended up hitting TP1, remaining final take profit. Let me show you guys the profits on my account. So this is good funded. I am up $123. All my remaining positions are at break even. Now funding pips, I'm up $211, and all my position are at break even. So I made 63 on funding pips. I think I made 50 something on good funded. Yes, I believe. So I made 55 on good funded. So the next update I'm going to be dropping will be if we hit final take profit or we get stopped at break even. So with all being said, let's wait till then. Guys, man, can you believe that in the space of 1 hour I lost 40 something dollars on my good funded? So let me start by telling you guys what just happened. So on my funding pips, we hit final take profit and I made profits. I'm up 98. But on my good funded, we were so close to hitting final take profit, but we didn't. Instead, we retraced and stopped me out at break even. So I took another entry. This was the entry because I felt like this high needs to be swept. This high, yes, this one I feel like needed to be swept. So I took another entry. I was risking for something dollars on this entry, and I lost it on my good funded. So from going to $127 to $87, let me show you guys. So this is it, man. I lost 32 and 8. This was my initial profit. This was for what I lost. I was so in the, like, I really wanted to revenge trade, like, more trading no easy at all. So with all being said, I would love you guys to like and subscribe. Peace.